Yeah, this is the day we have all been waiting for. I've already poured 1 gallon of pure antifreeze in. Now I'm just adding water. This time I've been periodically checking for leaks. None's been springing up so far. The block is dry, so it's going to take a considerable amount of coolant to fill the system. New fan clutch. I picked that up today. I also did some diagnosing the other day. I didn't have it on video, but fuel pumps were not kicking on. And I found out that the fuel pump relay was bad. And I also have that to go on as well. Yeah, so this is gallon number 2. So what I'm going to do, instead of pouring in a gallon of water, a gallon of antifreeze next time, I'm going to pre-mix me a half a gallon of antifreeze and half a gallon of water. Oops. I might not have to. We're full so far. And like I said, I've been checking for leaks. None has been coming up, which is a good thing. Which is not abnormal after putting an engine together to spring a seep here or there. I think this time it's going to be okay. Probably 75 degrees today. This might not look like pure antifreeze, but it's a 50-50 mix. Yeah, nice day today. Probably 75 degrees. Oh yeah, I want to make a shout out to my friend Lindsay at the Kia store. She asked the question the other day, what's everyone doing on this weekend? And I had said that I was going to do photos at the Ohio Valley Dragway at a car show, but I'm afraid that I am not going to be able to make it. She said, get lots of pictures of Kias. Well, I would, but I don't think I'm going to make it. Well, I can get pictures of Kias though. Alright. Boy, this thing is thirsty. Sorry I hadn't made too many videos of this stuff. Hadn't really had a lot of time on my hands. Oops. But everything new. The only thing that's not new is the alternator and the power steering pump. Alternator, power steering pump, and AC compressor. They look new. I've cleaned them up. Uh-oh, I hear it bubbling and chuggling, so it's getting close to being full. And miraculously, I don't see any water seepage anywhere. Yay! Because I was beginning to wonder if it had a hole in it. Oops. It's close to being full because it has almost 3 gallons of coolant in it. Ah, there we go. There we go. I don't know what happened to the coolant I drained out of it. It was new, and I don't know. It's not here anymore. I don't know where it's at. Man, it is about full. Let me see if I can squeeze the air out of it. Oh yeah, the hoses, these are the same hoses that was on the other engine. I just put them on last fall, so I didn't think I needed to go ahead and put new ones on again, even though the thought had entered my mind. But not today. And so far, so good. while we're letting it drain down, we'll just take a look. And I see no seepages anywhere. Okay. I think we are in okay shape. So I think it is good to start. Okay, in case you're wondering, I took this off because I am going to have to block open the throttle once it starts running. And before I do anything else, let me see if I can find something to prop the camera up with. Good old hose here. Because I want to check the oil one more time to make sure it has a safe level before I crank it. Because once I start cranking, there is no going back. And it has a safe level. Probably can't see it too well, but the level is safe. So go ahead and wipe that off, and I will place that back in. What I'm going to do is I'm not going to start it inside. I'm going to start it out here. I'm going to use a jumper wire to start it with, so I can be out here and monitor it. Okay, well, key is on. All the lights are coming on like they're supposed to. Let's see what happens. The battery might be dead. I don't know. Let's find out. Well, it cranks. I think the battery could be dead. Okay.